Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode, Market Breakdown. Today is the 29th of November. It's almost the end of the month. Monthly candles are closing shape. This is a good time to look for pullback levels just before the monthly candles close their shapes, because if you look at previous candles as this week before the actual shape, it's on both sides. Every side tends, on average, there's a high up and down. And right now, price has been going up majority of the month. But I think today, gold might be going down because H4 shows that there's a potential for a downtrend this morning. It's been pushing up, and rejection, support level, and there's a push down. So we're going to test that push down today, ladies and gentlemen. See if there's any juice in the tank with the sell. I know gold has been buying a lot, but markets don't go up like it's an elevator. For every up movement, there's a down movement that is due. So let's stick to the drill. Measure top and bottom. That's our stop loss, entry point. Let's go, let's get it. Open at 5 today, just one position. It's not always about making a lot. So just open one position, place stop loss above. Let's see. Right, that's where we set stop loss. Okay, all right. So I was joking about what I said earlier. Let's mix it out. So what I'll do is, once I see market going above stop loss, click, let's see how many positions. Okay, it's not that many. So we have 2050. Okay, 2050 is a stop loss. Let's go. Hey. With consistency, you just gotta stick to the plan, even if it goes right or doesn't, because one day you're gonna need some form of backbone in terms of your strategy approaching markets, because you're gonna hear a lot of this and a lot of that. So I try not to distract and complicate things. It's very simple. If you've seen a market push down for a very, very long time, wait for signals of candlesticks that are right next to each other, and the one is not going the same direction as the other. Watch my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's the same analysis each and every time. Alright guys, it's a couple of hours past now, and market is moving accordingly. That's good. In terms of profit, that's how much has been generated from the current push. I think my minimum entry is 0.05. So at this point now, what you should be looking to do is to move stop loss to cover profit. All those stop losses there, we need to move them, that in case of emergency, the account doesn't close in a negative, and then we let this puppy ride out. Let's see where it takes us today. How low can it go? But we are in the race with the markets. All right, so I'm gonna sort this out, and then we'll see how we're looking by the end of the day. All right. Alright, so when we switch the chart to a line chart, let me just remove these here so you guys can take note of such movement in future. Here's a shoulder. We have a higher high and we have a higher low. This is a setup for a head and shoulders pattern. Typically what would happen thereafter would come down to test previous support, which is around this range here, the first one, and then if it goes through, we can then after looking for another support level. It's going to test, which should be around this level. So we'll see if price goes down here and comes down and then carries on going back up or whatever. We'll see. But for now, that's currently what we're sitting on. Plus that balance over there. We almost, I need to see, this needs to say 80 at least, then we'll have 6 figures. But wish us luck, we're almost there. Alright guys, so market is pushed down. Always remember, before you close your phone and look away, move your stop loss in case market decides to come up again and give us a shock of a lifetime. This level is where the next support actually is. I'd say from here, the top of here, this candlestick, this one here, that's the support. But now the next candle broke through, shooting down, so that support has failed to take the price up. So if anything, price would be using this range, the top and bottom of that candlestick, that range as support. The whole length of this future one will be support for the sell for tomorrow. So as I was saying, we move the stop loss, and as we notice, it's slightly above, so you could actually say, okay, put it actually on top. You set your select, just like that. So what's the level? 2042. Okay, so I'm gonna set all these stop loss at 2042, and then we see how the rest of the day goes. Alright, cool. Well guys, the sell doesn't seem to be happening now. I'm actually looking to just close my positions. I'll try again tomorrow. You can't always force sales. Meh. That's the best I could do today. Today was just not my day. Alright guys, we'll try again tomorrow.